Hey there, Ibrahim here from Elegant Radiators. Today we'll be looking into booster timer for electric towel radiators. We have override switch and the booster button with the 5 LED indicator lights. Our rocker switch, which is an override button, must be on and red light on top must be visible to operate the boost timer. Once the rocker switch turned on, we press booster timer, and every time we press it will increase by the hour. You can set it up to 5 hours, and to reset back to 0, press again and it goes blank. Booster timer is ideal for rental properties, Airbnbs, hotels and such. It allows you to turn your towel radiator on for a set period and turn itself off. You don't need to go back and turn it off manually. Once the period is finished, it will turn the towel radiator on until it's been